Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Oakland local and long-distance movers near me. If packing and moving your entire life to a different state or even across the country wasn't stressful enough, finding a moving company that you can trust and won't cost you a leg and an arm can be just as daunting as the move itself. We here at 3Movers have the knowledge, resources, and enthusiasm to complete your long-distance move. Have you ever rented and drove a big moving truck before? Can you count on your friends and family to help you with your move? Do you have the time to carefully pack, load, and unpack your belongings? If your answer to these questions is no, then maybe you should consider hiring an Oakland moving company to take care of all these things for you. At 3Movers, we believe that customer satisfaction is the most important metric. That's why we always strive to deliver the best services. We will help you find the right solution for your specific needs. We will take multiple factors into account, such as the size of your cargo, its complexity, as well as your budget, to help you get to your destination in time and at an affordable price. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oakland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.